want you to put it on tape. I've said repeatedly that there's no reason for keeping Nnamdi.
That's right.
As far as I'm concerned, there's no reason whatsoever that you cannot arrest somebody because he was speaking on radio, he's calling people names. Doesn't make sense. You know, everybody can tell you anything. I'm a politician, people call me lots of names. And I don't think calling me name have anything to do with it's an offense. It's not an offense.
Iwu ndị ọma Chineke nna kerecha mma pụrụ iche ekenekwa m na ama m n'ụlọ for that short video nwanne anyị nwoke presidential candidate ndị NDC forthcoming election 2027 May nwanne anyị nwoke wụ Peter Obi don't worry na the complete video unu mana for the past 24 hours na okwu gbasara Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na trend na social media yotago okwu gbasara Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na trend very well. It's just so sad na ndị ba you have ayamụtabe ka isi protect nke bụ nke anyị enwere nke ya bụ ikpo nka nke gị protect ya because somebody like Peter Obi for him to stand his ground in this issue kwuli say that na there is no omara ihe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mee kajie that place muna gị na-abụ not today man that the court has giving him bail, go grant ya bail. Still the same another court, but akwase lie na ekporo. So does it mean na law na chi na Abuja, the issue na law na chi na Lagos? I think na law is one in every part of the country. Man, some people have gone to this country, may ya say na law. There's a 36 laws in 36 states of the federation. Yotago. And likewise, some people na bamba on social media because I follow her Yambabaku. Yambaba Polo, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu terror, na arrest, you the leader. At least that thing was uploaded na your server. It was uploaded there. Just for example now, important already when was some videos have been posted. The mother na drag, important send the mother oboro mo onye post video for. The mother na drag because of what they found in your platform. We should I give an example, say that now. Imagine for a minute that ne kwata na ya do phone. Ibi be na ya da 4 days. Government will be ready the compound. A witch up that na somebody na ako Igbo na azo ya na azo your window. Government ye bulugi because automatically I have seen that you are a suspect. Anything that is found in your position, you are a suspect. So it is also a thing for Yambaba to emota here on his own part. Nobody is against you doing podcast. Nobody is against you put as far as na Igbo raise the concern at this moment. There are some things that you shouldn't allow somebody else somebody could put on your platform. Or the form of kita mmadụ no chance we catch na nylon blue batana begi. Definitely nebo gị na anu isi nsi ayas no na begi ko si apata. Mana because ki isi kowa nebo gị no onye bata na begi bụ nsi ahụ wee bịa. Na nothing na-ekwu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not just a human being again. I keep saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have to go from being a human being to being a system. There are people in Nigeria today that worship Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whether you like it or not. There are people in this country that praise and everything they do. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has become a religion to them. Mahana saru, mahana gomo, mahana gofo. Every day chikifo nuwa hayeti lili and nehane. To show that this person has become part of them. Yotago. So, you become to have problem. Because Onye has left you and I, why man, this person is no longer a human being. Somebody in the way saying that he's no longer a normal human being, but is that now? Can we get the difference of somebody like Elon Musk jidega aka n'ụwa jidega aka si biko onye abụ nwa m nwoke si nyele ya aka ọmakụ na si nyele ya aka nyele ya aka. Somebody will help you because Elon Musk si nyele ga aka without not knowing who you are. That is how it works. When they begin to tell you that now somebody is no longer a normal human being, you now wonder akwa the same enyemaka aka somebody say si nyele ga somebody like Obi Kubana today, but I say onye akwa nwa m nwoke biko nelu nno mi anya. Somebody will, because now Bikubana has been a blessing to that person. The person will be forced to help you because now onion respect so much go aka. So if we didn't die, they are no longer your normal type of human being. They have become a system. They are once in a lifetime kind of people. Or is there somebody who is in the state of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? And when you have each other sometimes, itakene ezegile. You gotta go. Imagine that in the Bible I go make I got that a fool even when he's silent is regarded wise. Apchakwe ha ijele hana bamba na se na onye obuna na sport Mazi ke yejide abuo ya onem and then I say to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu 20 years no melanka no melankozo. To everything ni no emele man I say na ESN me Mazi Nnamdi Kanu me nobody has caught Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the sin doing something. Unu see ke jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for 30 years. Somebody like Asari Dokubo akaikegia na tank gbagbuo ya. Somebody like Sunday Igboho akaikegia na tank gbagbuo ya. What then is the difference between all of them? Somebody like Sheikh Ugumi na agagala na Nigeria today. Akaikegia na tank gbagbuo ya. Mana ndị ba anyị pụta na egbupụta nke anyị na-eze ka egbuo, mana ndị ọzọ na-eshi uri nke ha. Ekenekwa m na netọpụ na ihe Peter Obi kwuru n'ụbọchị nke taata ka ọ dịkwa.
And I want you to put it on tape. I said repeatedly that there's no reason for keeping Nnamdi.
That's right.
As far as I'm concerned, there's no reason whatsoever that you cannot arrest somebody because he was speaking on radio, he's calling people names. It doesn't make sense. You know, everybody can tell you anything. I'm a politician, people call me lots of names. And I don't think calling me name have anything to do with it's an offense. It's not an offense. So for me, I said it that even all agitators, if I'm in government today, I will discuss with them. I will engage them. I will consult them. Because I believe that they have a reason for whatever they want to do. It's only by engaging them that we'll learn and see how we can solve it and everything. And that's my own, but I'm not in position to do anything today. You talked about issue of rigging. Yes, somebody mentioned how we sure the elections are not going to be rigged. Elections are rigged in Nigeria because Nigerians want it to be rigged. It's as simple as that is. I do whatever is possible to protect the vote, but unless Nigerians decide that their vote will count, it will not count. Because if you vote and you say you're pulling booth and say that this must be counted here, it will be counted. But Nigerians, because our politics is transactional, the average Nigerian doesn't know who is his problem. He thinks it's so a Nigerian will never go to and vote and go home and go to night vigil, when he should actually stay. The night vigil will be on counting his vote, and he will count the person to count that vote. But he will vote and go to night vigil on Saturday, and that's start praying, because he thinks that he's the only person God created and God will solve his problem. No, the problem is, the question is to ask yourself today, what is the problem of Nigeria?
It's diverse, there's a lot of problems.
Huh? Said it what?
It's diverse. I think there's a lot of problems in Nigeria that we need to address. Yeah. It's diverse.
What do you think the problem of Nigeria is?
I don't know, sir. I'm not in your...
It's diverse.
No. You answered now. Yeah.
Nigeria have only one problem.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Leadership.
Thank you.
Leadership.
Thank you.
Any other thing, God gave Nigeria everything.
Everything.
I can tell you Nigeria is more blessed than this country.
Of course. 100%. 1 million.
It is you have leadership. what you have is leadership problem. And rather than deal with that problem, you abandon it and be looking for what is the problem. So if Nigerians know that their problem is that, they face it.
That's right.
And insist that they must get good.
That's right.
And that's it. So everybody will be part of protecting that vote. There was another question. Next question.
Yes.
Stand up, stand up.
He's asking of the question.
He asked about cyber.
Yes.
Let me tell you. Not much has been done about that. Because our country talk about security regulation. Not much has been done about that right now. It's something that requires, even for me, a lot of learning. A leader is a learner and a listener. Unless you learn, if you know everything, you shouldn't learn.